Hi everyone, welcome to another large pour. This is again a 70 by 70 centimeter canvas. It just looks more stretched because of the angle of my camera. This is the same day when I did the 70 by 70 Saturn ring blue gold white pour, and I normally do a couple of pours in a row because once everything is messed up and dirty I can make a couple of pours, let them dry, and I normally just split up the videos to have you entertained even more. Yeah, so this is the same day when I did the bluish one, and it's the same canvas size. I basically used the same colors, but for this pour I changed the blue to a black. So the color palette for this one is a black, the gold and the white. I did have a bit of the blue left from the first pour, and so I just put it in the pouring jar as well, just to have a bit of a bluish hint to some of the colors. I had no idea if any of it will show up at all. But yeah, it did in the end, so I'm pretty glad that I added it. And of course I want to have a somewhat same effect like I achieved in the blue one, which I still really love. And basically the rest of the approach is pretty much the same. So if you have not seen the first video, I will link it here with a card in the video as well. So check out this one if you want to have more details around the pour. If you don't want to have any more intel, then you can just go along watching this one here. I just put some sound over it to keep you entertained and let you watch what I did. So enjoy! So guys, what do you think about the result? Do you like it as well? Do you like it more than the blue one? Do you like it less than the blue one, or somewhat similar? I really like how it came out. Look at it from a distance, it really looks great. It looks earthy, the gold shimmers when the sunlight hits it, and I really like the result. So pretty glad about it. And This ring pour method really turns out to be one of my most favorite as of this time, especially when it comes to larger pieces, because you can do so much with it. Perhaps I'm going to use a bit more color next time to have it stretched a bit less. Perhaps I'll leave it a bit thicker to have more defined lines. So yeah, this is it for this project. I hope you again liked the result and liked the video. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new coming videos. And also, if you have any questions, please leave me down below in the comment box. As usual, for those of you who follow me a bit longer now, you know all my materials, as long as my social media is linked below in the video description as well. So if you want to test any of my products, feel free to give it a go. So again, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.